Have you ever wanted to become a graphic designer? Have you been learning and working toward becoming one but needed more structure? Welcome to the Graphic Design Mastery Full Program. This course is incredibly extensive, covering the basic beginner level topics and finally ending with advanced level training, including creating a full brand design project. We even dive into topics like freelancing, so you could start to find clients and use your newfound design skills. There are not many programs out there that cover so many topics in full. This program includes access to the following courses and resources. First of all, the Graphic Design Masterclass Level 1 starts off with several hours of graphic design theory, and it covers topics like the history of typography, color theory and layout, and composition basics. Then we complete basic training in 3 important Adobe programs: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. We will use our software skills to create popular, practical graphic design projects, including book covers, YouTube thumbnails, editorial spreads. We will even discuss different graphic design niches to see which area of design you want to spend more time on moving forward. Secondly, there is an intermediate level graphic design masterclass that goes more in depth into intermediate tools, software, and intermediate projects. We cover topics like infographics, isometric grids, package design, poster design, magazine layouts, and more. The third level covers one of the most important jobs any designer will be tasked with, and that's the logo design process. We go super in depth and walk through step by step this process of creating 2 separate logo designs. There are helpful downloadable resources throughout this entire program that will surely give you a jump start in this entire logo design process. Next, we'll tackle more advanced topics in the Branding Masterclass as we work through a mock company branding project for a sushi restaurant. We'll learn how to brainstorm creative ideas, complete research tasks that will help you create effective brand campaigns. We'll even create several different branded assets and finally create a final portfolio presentation and client presentation. Finally, we will walk through creating a personal brand and going freelance. We will build a portfolio, find and market ourselves to clients, talk about issues like contracts and working with clients, and finally talk about how to price our projects. Also included in the full program is access to a 200-page downloadable PDF resource that talks about all of the important foundations of graphic design theory, including Gestalt theory, typography and font pairing, psychology of typography, color theory introduction, color wheel basics, color harmonies and palettes, psychology of color, color accessibility and spaces, using photos in design, composition and layout theory, different layout types, using the grid, the golden ratio, and so much more. This program also includes exclusive access to a special student-only Facebook group of like-minded designers. We hold design challenges and support each other through this big learning journey. This program is 3 years in the making and includes what I think are the most important principles of learning graphic design, including software training, design theory, and practical projects. So if you're interested in starting down the journey of learning graphic design or upping your graphic design game, this program might be a great fit. So check it out, and I'll see you in the first lesson.